This is a remote object. Oh yeah, of course. No, it's fine. Let's just stop. Okay. So let's start again. Alright, so our scene is now working, and we now have some form of gravity, as you can see, and that should be rendering, but it's not. Yeah, I'm doing alright. Normally I stream in the afternoons, but thank you for the follow, by the way. But essentially there's a heat wave in Britain right now, and I had all my equipment overheating yesterday and it was crazy, so I've had to reschedule and do mornings and nights when the temperature is reasonable. Are you a game developer, a web developer? What's your story? Are you interested in the Godot side of things or the Elixir side of things? Okay, so I'm kind of confused why this is still complaining. The identifier chain scene isn't a valid time. Yeah, okay. Or maybe it's the self thing that we're calling that's causing the issue. Because maybe the self isn't available at this point, so maybe this can't be an onReady variable. And if that's the case, that's fine. We just move it down here and set it like so. Nope. That's not working either. Huh. Alright then, let's just comment that out and make sure that we're not losing our sanity. I plan to take a book and read in the sun this afternoon, so I'm not a recluse. Not yet, anyway. Okay, so that's still failing. Okay, so something else is going wrong. Do we need that tail scene? Okay, let's get rid of this link. Test chain line 4. Oh. Yeah, we don't need to set type. What am I doing? Silly me. Okay, cool. Alright, we fixed that. Not entirely though. It looks like our test chain is creating orphans. What did we do last time when we had that? Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure this will be cross-platform, so it will work on mobile as well. Are you using Godot or are you using like Unity? Okay, so let's just look at our test player. Do we not have... Oh, we need to add to tree. Yeah, always forget that. Oh, sweet. How are you finding Godot so far? I really love it. It reminds me a little bit of like Flash back in the day. That's how I learned to program. By making games in Flash, so... Sweet, alright, look, we've got the whole test running. Okay, let's give that a